news. So, do not forget to subscribe and click on that bell icon to get latest news super fast. OnePlus is now seeding the OxygenOS 5.0.3 update to the OnePlus 3 and 3T, which brings the May Android security patch and enables support for face unlock. The feature was available through the OxygenOS beta builds since January's Open Beta 30. The current OxygenOS 5.0.3 update also brings a recently deleted section in the gallery, more options when long pressing on an app icon, and a redesign to shelf. What's your take on this? Do share your views via comment section below. And like always, do not forget to like and share this video and subscribe this channel. I will be back shortly with another news. Till then, have a great time ahead. Bye bye.